Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Splatoon 3 Story Mode. To begin your adventure, locate the manhole in Splatsville, which leads directly to Alterna, the main hub for the single-player campaign. Once there, you'll meet Agent 3 and your trusty companion, Smallfree. Your first task is to navigate the initial areas, getting accustomed to movement and basic combat. Pay close attention to the tutorial prompts. They will guide you through the essential mechanics you'll need to master. As you explore Alterna, you'll encounter vast patches of fuzzy ooze blocking your path. To clear these, simply throw Smallfree at them. Each patch costs 100 power eggs. Gather power eggs by splatting enemies and finding them hidden in crates or around the environment. These eggs are crucial for progression. Each sector contains several hidden kettles, which are portals to individual stages. Find and enter these kettles to advance through the story. Inside each kettle, you'll face unique challenges, from intense combat scenarios to intricate platforming puzzles. Your objective is always to reach the goal at the end of the stage. The game often provides specific weapons for each kettle, encouraging you to master different playstyles. As you progress through the sectors, you will eventually encounter formidable boss characters. These battles require careful strategy and precise aiming to defeat, so be ready for a tough fight. Throughout your journey, you can upgrade your hero gear and Smallfree's abilities at the Hero Gear Station using Sardinium and Power Eggs. These upgrades significantly improve your combat effectiveness and traversal. Additionally, completing certain kettle stages will unlock new weapons from Sheldon, offering more tactical options. Your overarching mission is to push through all the sectors, defeat the final boss, and uncover the secrets of Alterna, bringing peace back to the Splatoon world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.